Everybody's asking, will AI kill software engineering? Here's the contrarian truth. AI won't replace most software engineers yet, but it will replace the kind of software engineer who only knows how to write code. Because in 2026, code is cheap. Judgment is expensive. What the job is. A software engineer builds systems that solve real problems, usually by turning vague human needs into software that's reliable, secure, and maintainable. That includes designing features, writing and reviewing code, testing, shipping, monitoring, and fixing what breaks, because something always breaks. Day in the life of a software engineer. 8:45 a.m. You scan messages. One bug report. One customer complaint. 9:15 a.m. Stand up. You commit to a small slice of work, not the whole mountain. 9:45 a.m. You read the existing code to understand what you're not allowed to break. 10:30 a.m. You sketch the change, inputs, outputs, edge cases, failure modes. Then you write. 11:30 a.m. You run tests, fix two things you didn't expect, and realize the simple feature touches three services. 12:15 p.m. Lunch, or lunch while you stare at logs. 1 p.m. Code review. You review someone else's change and catch a subtle security issue. 2 p.m. You push your branch, open a pull request, and write a clear description so reviewers don't hate you. 3 p.m. Meetings. Priorities shift. The feature might wait, the production bug won't. 4 p.m. Debugging session. You reproduce the bug, isolate it, patch it, and add a test so it doesn't come back. 5:30 p.m. You write a quick note. What you changed, why it's safe, what to watch in monitoring. Personality traits that thrive in this career. You do well if you like solving puzzles with incomplete information. Can stay calm when you're wrong, 3 times in a row. Enjoy building systems, not just writing lines of code. Communicate clearly, especially under pressure. Personality traits that might struggle. Need every task to be well-defined before you start. Hate collaboration and feedback. Want a job that ends cleanly at 5 p.m. every day. Get bored when work becomes maintenance and reliability, not fresh greenfield code. Skills needed. Core skills. One main language, data structures, debugging, databases, and version control. Professional skills, testing, code review, communication, and learning fast. 2026 skills. AI-assisted development done responsibly, meaning you can use AI to move faster, but you can also verify, secure, and maintain what gets generated. Lifestyle factors. Most roles are full-time. Some teams are flexible, some aren't. Stress comes in waves. Launches, incidents, deadlines. If you're on call, you're paid to be the safety net. The upside? Many roles still offer location flexibility, and the work can compound. Skills you build this year pay off for years. Salary and demand. BLS puts software developers' median pay around $133K, May 2024, with strong projected growth over the decade. But near-term hiring is selective. Late 2025 and early 2026 showed a cooler labor market overall, and tech postings emphasize AI skills more than ever. AI implications. Threat. If your value is I can churn out basic CRUD code, AI tools can do a lot of that faster. Opportunity. If your value is I can design the right system, make trade-offs, and ship safely, AI becomes a power tool. Reality. The job shifts towards specs, review, integration, testing, monitoring, and security, because AI can generate output, but it can't accept the consequences. Recommended path. There are multiple paths, but you need 2 things: fundamentals plus proof. Traditional path. Bachelor's degree is still the most universally accepted entry signal. Fastest path. Bootcamp or self-taught can work, but your portfolio must look like real work. Deployed apps, tests, readable code, and clear write-ups. Underrated path. Apprenticeships can be a paid on-ramp, but they're limited and competitive. In 2026 specifically, learn to use AI tools and learn to audit AI outputs. Hiring signals say that's becoming baseline. Self-assessment questions. Do I enjoy debugging and refining more than starting new? Can I handle ambiguity, feedback, and teamwork without melting down? Will I commit to building proof, projects, internships, or apprenticeship because certificates alone won't carry me? Final verdict. You should do software engineering if you want a career where your skills compound. You like building systems, and you're willing to keep learning, especially as AI reshapes workflows. You shouldn't do it if you're only here because someone promised easy money. You hate constant change, or you don't want to prove your skills publicly. In 2026, the market rewards builders, not observers. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey.